What's up, y'all? This is Kieran Sr. and Kieran Jr. How y'all feeling today? I am so happy and grateful now that favor, blessings, honor, generational wealth come to me in increasing quantities through multiple sources on a continuous basis. Speaking into existence, those that are things that are not as if they are. So what I'm talking about is raining blessings and creating generational wealth. How do you do that? Because a seed sown is a harvest reaped. So we're getting to the point where we're harvesting. This is harvest time, y'all. It's time to walk in the blessing. You feel me? So whatever you're going through right now, as far as within your career, within your business, within your relationship, there might be some type of pain, but you have to also realize that your pain will not define you nor destroy you. You cannot let your pain define you nor destroy you. So once you identify the pain, never forget the pain, right? Never forget the pain. The pain is what's going to push you to the next level. The next level is I've seen my mentors, my millionaire mentors on top of the mountain. So when you get your tools is the knowledge, the ability, the skills, the necessary things that you have to do on a daily basis is the skills. You have to acquire skills. A lot of people have motivation, they have a great attitude, but nothing, you won't profit unless you have the skill set in which you're trying to be the best at. And there's no point in being average. Everybody else is average. 76% of the population still living paycheck to paycheck. Why is that? Because they haven't found their growth point. So within that growth point, you have to start with that pain. The pain was my dad passed away when I was 12 years old. The pain is that my mom, she had to retire too early because of health issues. Because our parents, mom and dad, we owe it, right? We owe it to our family, our mom, our dad who birthed us to be great. So we don't let our pain define us nor destroy us. So I'm talking about when you're going up the mountain, when you got your tools, when you got your skills. You may have seen an example on the top of the hill, on the top of the mountain. I saw National Director Albert Thomas on the top of the hill because he's the highest paid black millionaire in real estate and in energy deregulation. That's my mentor that mentored me for the past 3 years. That's what allowed me to become retired at the age of 32. I've been retired for 3 years. So I paid the price for 3 years for him. So what I was talking about is why invest 8 hours into your children. Instead of pay the price, get free. So instead of, I could drop him off at a stranger at a daycare, he getting sleepy. Look at him. That's so cute. So investing 8 hours in him is more important than investing 8 hours at a job where the coworkers I don't like, boss breath stink with a paycheck that I definitely don't like. So it's a choice. Everything's a choice. But when you're going up that mountain, you have to make a decision that you're going to reach the top of the mountain or you're going to die on the side. But I'm not going back to who I was. So become a new creature today. Are you awake, boy? What's going on? So cute, y'all. That's my boy. This is your why. So you have to keep your why in front of you. The why is what's going to push you to the next level. So if there's no risk, this is not for the faint heart. Success is not for the faint heart. If there's no risk, guess what? There's no reward. If there's no sacrifice, there's no gain. So if you don't want risk, hey, we can put you in a corner, give you food, water, shelter, give you 3 meals a day. But what are you becoming? Right? It's not about what am I getting at the job. It's not how much that I'm making at the job. It's who am I becoming? Am I becoming a $12 an hour, $17 an hour, $5 an hour, whatever the amount is? I haven't worked for it, so I don't know what people are getting paid nowadays. But that's what I'm talking about. It's like what are you becoming where you're at? What's going on, Jackie? What's going on, Dez? What's going on, Miss Carter? Nerdles? What's going on, Jackson? That's what's up. So we're just talking about raining blessings and creating generational wealth. So money doesn't grow on trees. I disagree with that. I believe it grows on trees if you're building generational wealth. That's what I'm talking about. Running with winners, changing your environment, eliminating excuses, not caring about other people's opinions. Because other people's opinions won't pay your bills anyway. So it doesn't matter. You got to do what you're going to do because we only got 24 hours in the day. So you think about Oprah, Bill Gates, Warren Buffett. You sleepy boy? So Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, billionaires. How in the world they become billionaires when they got the same 24 hours in the day like me and you? You got 24, right? Right? I got 24. We all got 24. So what are you doing within the 24 hours to maximize your life? Because at the end of the day, it's not about you. It's how can you help somebody else? I used to get emails. I used to get called into the office and say, Kieran Hill, you just got fired. Kieran Hill, you just got terminated. But now I call myself into my own office to say you got promoted and you help somebody else.